OK, have you ever been in a fairground or walking along the seafront, maybe on holiday, and you see a sign that says, "Fortune teller, come and have your future read"? Well, anything for a laugh. So tell me, fortune teller, what can you see in your crystal ball?
Oh, what did you want to know?
Oh, well, will Liverpool win the championship?
Maybe.
Ooh, do I have any secret admirers?
Possibly.
OK, try this one. Am I going to be rich and famous?
You've got to be having a laugh.
Charming. Still, it's a bit of fun though, isn't it? So, I've made my own. Here is my fortune teller, and here is a crystal ball. So, OK, let's try again. Am I going to be rich and famous? Maybe. Oh, I could spend all day doing this. Good, isn't it? And simple to make in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. For the first part, make the lady. So take a piece of cardboard box card and sketch in the shape of your fortune teller's head and shoulders. Then fill in some detail. Start with a headscarf, with a little bit of hair poking out at the sides, and then draw in her face. And it's a good idea to make her eyes look down at her crystal ball, and then just finish the rest of the face off. How's about a mysterious spot? And fortune tellers always seem to have hooped earrings, so put those in, and don't forget a shawl wrapped around her shoulders. And when you're happy with the design, cut it out. Now, to make her stand up, take a piece of A4 sized cardboard box card and tape her to the middle. Use lots of tape for this. And to keep her sturdy, add a couple of cardboard wedges to the back. So that's your basic fortune teller, and those wedges are just right-angled triangles, which means that when you tape them together, she stands perfectly upright. Next, you need to make the part that will make all the decisions. For this, you need one of those rounded, cheesy triangles boxes. Now take off the lid and draw on about 5 circles. You could always draw around a coin for this. And make sure that the circles are bigger than your marble. Then you'll need to cut these circles out. Now, whenever you want to cut something out of the middle of your artwork, push a sharp pencil through into some modelling clay, and this allows you to get your scissors in and make cutting out easier. When you've cut out all of the holes, run some glue all around the outside edge of the lid. Then take a strip of thin card that's a couple of centimetres wide and glue or tape it around to make a sort of rim. You could always trim off any excess. Then hold it in position till it dries. And when it's dry, put the lid back on, then put some glue on the underneath of the box. And then stick it to the middle of the base. And this lip around the lid means that your marble or crystal ball won't fly off. And because you cut the holes a bit bigger than your marble, it means that the marble can drop through. Now, at the moment, if you dropped your marble from here, you could cheat and make it go in any hole you like. So now you need to make sure that that never happens. Take 3 sweetie tubes and very carefully cut them in half, making sure that you still have a card bit at the end like this. Then place them in a zigzag going down your fortune teller's body. So start with the bottom one and just add on a piece of tape along the edge and make sure the end is lined up with the cheese box. See that? And tape that into position at an angle. Then position the second one above it, and you can always experiment with the marble to get it in the right place, and then tape that into position, and do exactly the same with another half tube at the top, making 3 in all. And just keep moving the tubes to get it right. And those card bits at the end, again, stop the marble shooting off. So, OK, let's give it a try. Yeah, that works. Now you just need to add all those finishing touches. So, paint your fortune teller using acrylic paints. How about mystic purple for the headscarf? Emerald green for her shawl? A nice velvety maroon for her dress? And how about red for the tubes? And when you finish painting her and she's dry, add on some final detail with a black pen. And then decide on lots of different fates for you and your friends, writing them around the edges of the hole. So I've got for sure, no chance, ask me later, maybe, are you crazy? So, OK, let's have some fun. Just ask her some questions and see what crazy things comes out. Here we go. So, is it going to rain all weekend? Maybe. OK. Do you think I'm going to get that new car I've been after? Ask me later. All right, I'll get back to you on that. And now you can let your family and friends have a go and see what answers she gives them. Try it yourself, your own fortune teller.